Hey everybody, this is Dr. Dan, and I wanted to quickly show you all how you can find the tutorials that you have to do for BME 214L in SOLIDWORKS. So when I open up SOLIDWORKS, this is the screen that comes up. Just depending on your version and depending on what you might have done before, it may or may not look like this when you first open it. But this is what you're looking for, this Welcome to SOLIDWORKS screen. This is the way you can find the tutorials easiest. You can basically go to the Learn thing and click on this step-by-step tutorials. Right, and that brings up this tutorials thing where we can do the things that are required for class. Okay, if for some reason it comes up and it's all blank, you're like, okay, how do I find this? Like, I don't know what to do. The easiest thing is over here. You'll usually have all these little buttons. So if you go to Home, again, a lot of these things you're like, what are all this? But you click on this Welcome to SOLIDWORKS, and that will bring this thing up where then you can go to Learn and find it. Okay, so that's how you can find the tutorials so you can complete them for lab.